Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Frequent hiccups are usually caused by factors such as eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, sudden emotional reactions, or digestive issues. To mitigate them, try slow, mindful eating and avoiding excessive intake of fizzy drinks. Little changes like taking deep breaths or sipping cold water can also help in stopping hiccups when they occur.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.